EagleRidge is your trusted expert for bathroom remodeling in Benjamin, Utah. Whether you're looking to upgrade outdated fixtures, enhance functionality, or create a luxurious retreat, our skilled team ensures a seamless renovation experience. Our process begins with a detailed consultation where we assess your space, discuss your preferences, and develop a customized plan. We offer a wide selection of high-quality tubs, showers, enclosures, sinks, toilets, mirrors, lighting, and custom cabinetry to match your style. From demolition to final installation, our team handles every aspect of your remodel with precision. We take care of plumbing, electrical work, ventilation, waterproofing, drywall, and tile installation to ensure a durable and stylish finish. Whether you want modern, minimalist, or classic aesthetics, we bring your vision to life with expert craftsmanship. EagleRidge also specializes in accessibility upgrades, heated flooring, and smart technology integration for a more comfortable and efficient space. Our goal is to create a bathroom that combines beauty, functionality, and long-lasting value. If you're ready to transform your bathroom in Benjamin, Utah, call EagleRidge today at 801-784-1457. Let us bring your dream bathroom to reality with expert design and superior quality.